The intersection of rows and columns are called A. Sheet, B. Cell, C. Workbook, D. None of the above. The correct answer is cell. What is the maximum number of rows supported in a Excel 2007 worksheet? A. 65, 357, B. 78, 487, C. 1028, 176, D. 1048, 576. The correct answer is 1048, 576. What is the maximum number of columns supported in a Excel 2007 worksheet? A. 12, 357, B. 16, 384, C. 21, 783, D. 26, 263. The correct answer is 16, 384. What is the default extension of Microsoft Excel 2003 saved file? A. .xls, B. .xsl, C. .xlsx, D. .xlxs. The correct answer is .xls. VBA in MS Excel was used from which version? A. Excel 4, B. Excel 5, C. Excel 6, D. Excel 7. The correct answer is Excel 5. Total number of characters that a cell can contain. A. 24, 221, B. 27, 685, C. 32, 767, D. 39, 802. The correct answer is 32, 767. Which function key generates a bar graph from the values entered in Excel? A. F9, B. F10, C. F11, D. F12. The correct answer is F11. All formulas in MS Excel start with dash sign. A. $, B is equal to C, D. The correct answer is equal to. If a 1 is displayed in name box, then is indicates which one. A. First column by A, and first row by 1. B. First column by 1, and first row by A. C. First sheet. D. None of the above. The correct answer is first column by A, and first row by 1. Which command need to execute from Run window to open a new Excel file? A. MS Excel, B. Win Excel, C. Office Excel, D. Excel. The correct answer is Excel. In which year Microsoft released the first version of Excel for Windows version? A. 1983, B. 1985, C. 1987, D. 1989. The correct answer is 1987. In Excel, which chart is also known as XY chart? A. Pie chart, B. Bar chart, C. Area chart, D. Scatter chart. The correct answer is scatter chart. In Excel, which one chart type is not available? A. Radar, B. Bubble, C. Donut, D. Sphere. The correct answer is sphere. Which one are the chart tool tabs that adds in the ribbon when you display a chart? A. Design, B. Layout, C. Format, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In Excel 2007, Access option can be found in A. Design, B. Layout, C. Format, D. Formulas. The correct answer is Layout. Which one is not available in print area selection option when you print a Excel document? A. Entire workbook. B. Columns. C. Active sheet. S. D. Table. The correct answer is columns. Strikethrough, superscript and subscript are the dash in Excel. A. Design. B. Text control. C. Effects. D. Style. The correct answer is effects. Zoom slider option is available in A. Status bar. B. Formula bar. C. Standard bar. D. Quick access toolbar. The correct answer is status bar. In Excel options, the autocorrect option can be found in A. Popular. B. Formulas. C. Proofing. D. Advanced. The correct answer is proofing. A function inside another function is known as A. Nested function. B. Mode function. C. Lookup function. D. Indirect function. The correct answer is nested function. Which function returns the most common value in a data set? A. Login function. B. Indirect function. C. Cover function. D. Mode function. The correct answer is mode function, where you can change the number of recent documents shown option in Excel Office button. A. Save. B. Customize. C. Add-ins. D. Advanced. The correct answer is advanced. Maximum column width in Excel sheet is A. 226 characters. B. 254 characters. C. 255 characters. D. 256 characters. The correct answer is 255 characters. The process of keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet is known as A. Freeze panes. B. Page breaks. C. Margins. D. Sorting. The correct answer is freeze panes. What is the syntax of minimum function? A is equal to minimum. Number 1. Number 2. B is equal to min. Number 1. Number 2. C is equal to minimum. Number 1. Number 2. D is equal to min. Number 1. Number 2. The correct answer is equal to min. Number 1. Number 2. The chart title option is available in A. Format. B. Design. C. Developer. D. Layout. The correct answer is layout. In Excel all styles are dash styles. A. Cell. B. Tab. C. Sheet. D. Data. The correct answer is cell. The function that counts the number of cells in a range that are not blank is known as dash function. A. Counter. B. Count. C. Count. D. Countif. The correct answer is counter. Which chart displays values as percentages of the whole? A. Scatter chart. B. Bar chart. C. Surface chart. D. Donut chart. The correct answer is donut chart. Which function is used to display the current date and time in a cell? A. Today. B. Now. C. Day. D. Current. The correct answer is now. Which of the following alignments will apply by default when some text is entered in a cell in a worksheet of Microsoft Excel? A. Center. B. Left. C. Right. D. None of the above. The correct answer is left. Which of the following addressing modes can be used for writing formulas in a cell in a worksheet in Microsoft Excel? A. Relative. B. Absolute. C. Mixed. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above.